Have you ever sat down to install an Xbox game, only to be greeted with a message stating that your disk is dirty, and that the install could not go through? In this video today, I will teach you a quick trick that you can use to get your disks to work on the Xbox. For this to work, you will need an internet connection, a smartphone, and access to an app store. First, you need to make sure that your Xbox reads the disk, that it recognizes the game you inserted. Second, go to your games and be sure that all parts of the game are uninstalled, and take the disk out. Third, make sure that both your Xbox and your smartphone are connected to the same network. From your smartphone, go to the App Store and download the Xbox app, launch it, and log into your gamer tag. From within the app, tap the lens icon, and click on Games. Search of the game you want, click on it. And click on Download it to console. You will get a pop-up on your TV. Look at your TV, and turn on Quick Start Up, and turn on Remote Access. And agree to everything else that Xbox asks of you. Go back to the phone and finish that setup there. You then have to back out of the app, and close it. You have to close the app. If the Xbox app looks frozen, and it didn't set up properly, it does not matter, just back out of the app and close it. Reopen the Xbox app, tap the lens, search for your game once more, and click on Download it to console. If everything was done correctly, you should see the game being downloaded to your console. Once the download is finished, pop the disc in and launch the game. Enjoy!